Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Joining us today in the studio is Bob Brown, here to tell us all about the upcoming Joplin Memorial Run. Welcome to the show, Bob. Great to have you here.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so this has been going on for so long, as you were talking about, just as kind of starting to blend together, but it's really a very important, very special event that's coming up.
It is. In 2011, we lost 161 family members and community members, and since that time, the Joplin Memorial Run has been here to honor those people, celebrate their lives, and celebrate the movement of Joplin after that.
Right, and it's been an incredible recovery in that time. I know a lot of folks, when it happened, weren't really sure what was going to happen next since the devastation was so significant.
Right. I mean, we had over 8,000 structures damaged. It's in the top 10 largest devastation tornadoes in the history of the United States. So it was very large, and Joplin and the whole community, and we're talking the 4-state area, came together in 2011 and has come together since then to celebrate and honor and then have an enjoyable morning with the run.
Oh yeah, and so tell me a little bit about this year's event. What do people need to know if they want to take part?
Well, first they need to go to joplinmemorialrun.com to sign up, and that's where you can sign up to register to run a 5K, a 10K, a half marathon, and then we have a kids 1-mile fun run that is just a blast to watch those little kids run that. And you can register there on the joplinmemorialrun.com website. But there's also a tab for volunteers. We need 5 more volunteers, and I'd like to have 5 people go to that and sign up today.
All right, and so, I mean, volunteering is pretty easy. Now, for me, I could probably do the kids' fun run. I am not in good physical shape to do any of the others, but I could possibly do that fun run, and the kids would probably still beat me anyway.
Right, and I think the beard pulls you out. There is an age limit, Chris, but we're going to have great weather, too, as you've said. It's going to be mild, 69 for a high today, so it's going to be perfect, no rain. It's just going to be a great morning again.
Yeah, it should be pretty excellent weather. If I remember right, it was last year, or possibly the year before, where it was a pretty rainy, chilly morning for the run. So that's
right.
Makes it a little easier for some of the runners because they can keep cool, but for everybody else, it's a little tough sometimes.
Right. We've been blessed with the weather for the majority of the events, and again, it looks like this weekend. A lot of people wait until the end to see what the weather's going to be. You've already told them it's going to be a great day.
Yeah, looking at a great weekend.
Yeah.
All right, Bob, thank you so much for coming in this morning.
Thank you, Chris.
And of course, we'll have all this information on our website at koamnewsnow.com. We'll be back with more right after this.